have an idea! These balls will be the basis of my new concept to discover. Which of these two balls will strike the ground first when dropped at the same time? The lighter or the heavier one? To answer this question, I need to do some readings for this. Hi, my name is LJ, and today we will explore the fascinating realm of motion. There are two concepts of vertical motion introduced by Aristotle and Galileo Galilei. Aristotle, who lived 2,300 years ago, believed that heavy objects fell faster than lighter objects. According to him, the speed of an object is directly proportional to its weight. His example was that an object 10 times heavier than another would have fallen 10 times faster. On the other hand, Galileo, an Italian scientist, believed that the only reason heavy objects fell faster was because air resistance slows down lighter objects. So, if air resistance could be reduced, they would both fall at the same speed. I feel conflicted. I need to do something. In order to prove their claims, let us test which of these balls with different masses and sizes will fall faster. As you can see, the two balls hit the ground at the same time. So Galileo wins! Based on our experiment, both balls hit the ground at the same time. Galileo proved that all falling objects will have uniform acceleration regardless of their mass and size. Objects in vertical motion has a constant acceleration, which is equivalent to 9.8 meters per second squared, which means any falling object increases its velocity for about 9.8 meters per second in every second. Motion is evident in our daily lives. We live in this world where everyone can observe motion. Even as we speak, the Earth is moving, rotating in its orbit. It is the prime mover of the universe. Everything that goes up must eventually fall down. But Galileo's concepts of motion will never let you down.